with water where the magic can begin. Some crushed Jaggery, a golden sweet. Stir it well in the gentle heat. Watch it melt down to a syrup so deep. A luscious dark promise the flavors will keep. Crack 4 whole eggs directly into the flour and banana mixture. Add a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Pour in the Jaggery syrup wild and free. Mix it with your hands until the batter's thick and smooth. Place a frying pan on the stove and heat up a generous amount of cooking oil or ghee. Drop small spoonfuls of the batter into the hot oil to test the consistency and fry small fritters. Transfer the batter into a piping bag. Gently pipe the batter into the hot oil in circular spiral shapes.
Fry the spirals until they are crispy and deep golden brown on both sides. Remove from the oil, drain, and serve.